Term, whole, and universal. 3 words that confuse almost everyone shopping for life insurance. Which one do you actually need? Stick with me. In less than 10 minutes, I'm going to break it down so that you clearly understand which one best suits your life. Hi, I'm Marco. I'm a licensed agent in the province of Ontario. I'm very passionate about personal finances and helping everyday families understand financial literacy. I love helping people make better sense. Standard disclaimer, this is educational purposes only. This is not financial or insurance advice. Sit down with that professional in order to understand what best suits your life. And it should only be done after a financial needs analysis. Here's the plan. We're going to revisit the 3 types of insurance again. We're going to take a look at term life, which is the budget-friendly version. We're going to look at whole life, which is coverage forever with a built-in savings account. And we're also going to revisit universal life, which is as well lifetime coverage, but with a flexible investment component to it. And we're going to compare the 3 head-to-head. So let's review term life. It's simple, it's affordable, but it's temporary. Think of it as a rental, right? You pay for the coverage for the term of 10, 20, or 30 years. And if you pass away during that time, you're covered. Your family gets the payout. Now, it's great for covering mortgages. It's great for young families having coverage while your family's dependent on you. It's good short to medium term income replacement. The downside is that you're only covered while you're in term. Once the term ends, you lose your coverage. If you were to renew that term, you're going to be renewing it at a much higher rate because you're older. Let's compare it to whole life. Whole life is permanent insurance. As long as you pay your premiums, it covers you for the whole of your life. It also builds a cash value, and that cash value can be earned later on in life. You can borrow against it, you can withdraw it in the future. It's predictable, it's stable, but it is more expensive than term life. Think of it as owning rather than renting. Long-term costs, but lifetime ownership. Now we get to universal life. Universal life is flexible permanent insurance. You get a death benefit plus an investment account that grows tax advantage. Now it's flexible because you get to choose every aspect of what you're being insured for. Lots of different riders, and we can cover that on another day. You can adjust how much is going towards the premiums versus how much is going towards your investment account. Now, this is much more complex, so make sure you understand the investment side before diving in. When we look at these 3 options side by side, we can see that term is the affordable one. It's temporary, it's straightforward, so it's good for short to medium term needs. While the whole life does cover you for a lifetime, it gives you a cash value that you can use later on, and the premiums are much higher. Taking a look at universal, it covers you for the lifetime, it is flexible, and there's also investment growth in it for you. Well, which one is right for you? If you're a young family with a mortgage, on a budget, and you just need to cover off some temporary needs, term could be the right thing for you. Now, many companies do offer a conversion from term insurance to permanent insurance, and you should talk to your agent about that. Now, if you want a lifetime of peace of mind with a savings component, then you really want to be looking at whole life. Now, for high income earners looking for some tax planning and tax advantage, then you certainly want to entertain universal life. And yes, you can mix. I know many clients that have either whole life or universal life, but as well have term life for some temporary needs. Now remember, the best insurance policy is the one that gets put in place before your family actually needs it. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. Someone out there is probably going to have the same question as you. Until next time, Let's make better sense together. If you want to learn about dollar cost averaging, click this video up here. If you want to learn the 101 of insurance, click this one.